All right, cat. So I forgot to do a video before. Marked out session highs or whatever. Not really important. Wait a minute. That daily opens perfectly in line with it is. That's a little funny. Um. So this is MYM on the right. We are going down like a bitch. So that's not correlated. This is moving sideways. So this isn't correlated. We did take out London high though. We have a double whammy SMT. The reason why I'm not, I took this on here and I already scaled two, and it looks like it's about to hit my other TP, and I'm second and fourth actually. The reason why I don't love it is because we're so uncorrelated, and I was kind of expecting like seek and destroy because we had a double SMT for the downside and the upside. Like I'm looking, this actually doesn't look that bad for longs. This inverse is what I traded on or traded off of. I really wish I could pass this account soon because I want to start trading them. I want to start trading um like this account on what is this Alpha Ticks? No, what thing is this? This is Alpha Futures. I'm gonna trade this Alpha Futures Express account really heavily, and I'm gonna pretend it's not even real. I mean, technically this isn't even real, but I'm gonna pretend this isn't even real in the sense that like I'm gonna be taking these type of, I don't want to say risky trades, but little different trades. And it's only 950 right now. 10 o'clock is opening lower. I kind of like that. I like that. I like this wick. What are these? I like that. If I'm gonna enter long on my actual Express account, I need to see some type of retracement. But we'll see. I should have probably taken that, but because we were so uncorrelated, I don't know. I was just kind of like, I don't really like this. Like ES is just straight sideways. It is putting in higher lows, but it's not really breaking out of these highs. Bam. Can you fuck off? Let me just get that. We could start to move my stop up. I actually kind of know where it is, actually. Let's see if we reject from London High, though. And we just come right back down. But anyway, so I took a trade. I'm honestly kind of neutral and biased. Um, and I'm kind of, yeah, so I'm neutral and biased. I upset I didn't take it on my Express account, kind of. The stop loss, I actually got a beautiful fucking entry on it, Alpha Futures. And I had my stop a little bit below here. That's honestly not, I could have taken this. Because I entered right on this 944 wick, but I got a really good entry. I should have probably fucking taken that, but it's alright. We can delete London High. I can hit it on both. But like, and we were below 830 and the daily and midnight open. I should have taken that. I don't know, man. I'm afraid, I guess you would say. I took it here, so I want to see how many points this ends up being. 50. We'll see. I mean, it's just straight profit, so that's pretty nice. Should I scale some? I'm going to ask.
Order filled.
Let me just increase the profit. That's 5, 8. Yeah, let me scale some as we're moving up here. But if I'm gonna actually take this, I need to see some type of retracement, which I don't even know if we're gonna get. It's 954, so it's not even like really. I mean, that was actually a beautiful fucking dude. I'm a bitch. I'm a fucking bitch. That was a beautiful trade, actually. Like I'm looking at it and I'm like, this shit's actually really nice. I'm a fucking bitch. This is gonna be like a live stream or a live video of me trading. I don't even care if it's like an hour long. This is like what I do every morning. I don't like. Oh, okay, that's not the greatest. Hold up, I got a lot of fucking pills. Um, why am I looking at it on there? Let me close this. Wait, I want to see some real quick. So this is MYM. MYM. It's not really looking that bullish yet, or at all, I should say. Like MYM looks pretty fucking bearish. I'm not even gonna. Um, but Nasdaq is ripping. Yeah, MYM not looking the greatest. Let me just go back to ES. ES is kind of bullish. I mean, higher lows, higher highs. Look at that S&T 11. If I'm going to enter in there, I need to see some. This is a beautiful trade on Alpha Futures. This is going to be 5 times 54. Let's see if we can calculate my balance beforehand. 540 plus 85, 540. Remember that number. 85 times 3 times 2 plus 540, was it? That's going to be another grand. So I don't know what my balance is going to be, but that's not bad. This is actually beautiful. Dude, I've said that like 9 times, but I'm actually looking at it and it was beautiful. I'm a bitch. Dude, honestly, I'm a fucking bitch. I'm a fucking bitch, Jack. I'm a bitch. I'm a pussy. We could honestly probably move my stop loss. Wait, let me see on the screen. Yeah, we could put it here. We'll see what happens. Asked. Because I think you could pass this account in one day. I'm not 1,000% sure, but I think you can. Uh, I think you can. I think you can. Oh, that's not what we want to see, that type of rejection. Oh, it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Why did I think it was 10 o'clock? I was like, oh, 10 o'clock open lower. It just I don't like how there's no wick on the candle. See if this I want to see how this hour candle closes. And the 4 hour. Actually, the 4 hour close really want to hold on. I want to see this 1 hour. I want to see us close honestly above here. I want to see us close above here. Because if we close above here, I think we have a good chance of going up higher. But I don't know because we might. This is a fat wick that we might hit. that like what I'm saying is we might come down here and then go up. Why is my leg itchy? I mean, this is fucking practice, so I can give two shits, but um, but yeah. I want to see if we start to come back up and disrespect. Dude, I got so many bites from yesterday. Um, shit. I want to see if we start to disrespect bearish PDUAs or respect it. I want to see how 10 o'clock goes. We are not going to have a 5 minute gap. Peaked at around 50 points off of this. That is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. 10 o'clock is opening higher. That's not the greatest. I might close this chat. This is 10 o'clock, right? Yeah. Look at ESPA. Yeah, this is bad. Start to uh, trail this aggressively. Let's trail it a little aggressively. I want to see this limit order for 5 hit, honestly, on this candle. Normally, that's not what I want to see. I might sell this right. Ah, it's actually fine. I mean, this is fake money, but like, shit. Looking like a one and done trade guy. All objectives taken for the week today was never going to be good. I mean, NQ is not bad. Like NQ, this is a beautiful long. It's just that ES and YM aren't doing jack doodle shit. And if you're wondering who I'm talking to, YouTube, I'm pretending it's guys live stream comments on my own. We might be getting a CRT here. Daily. Took out this previous day high. Looks like it's going to close back within the range. Monday, we might come down here and tap this daily gap. I don't really know if we're going to do it today. I mean, we might. It's still really fucking early, but who knows? Did we tap that limit order yet? Are we dead ass? How many points is that off? I might take it right now. Oh, put this here. Put this there. So that's 54 points, and we're at 48. If we get in the 50s, I'm going to sell 5. 44. Come on, go up a little bit. Let me drag this up a little bit. Actually, I'll just delete it. I want to see us come up a little bit. That's not what I want. We're going to sell 5. Securing money. We'll leave this where it is. Fuck it. Why not? I don't hate it. I don't love it. Whatever. So, are we gonna hit that high? Maybe. I don't fucking know. But we'll just leave it at what we got, and we have this final TP at all time. So let's forget about Apex. Now, when it comes to my real account, uh, We're above 8:30 open, above daily. Tap the daily opening and just go for that again. I don't like how ES is not correlated whatsoever. That's why I'm hesitating. It's because we're so uncorrelated. We might have a so uncorrelated. That's why I don't necessarily like it, unless you're entering down there. But to enter right now, it's just not high probability. It's just not. If we inverse this 1 minute, I might just close it on here to try and get as much capital as I can, or as much more money as I can, I should say. I mean, it's only $60. What the fuck is $60? Yeah, I'm not sure actually. What the fuck is $60 gonna do? We might have a 15-minute gap here. Oh, wait a minute. This might be a nice short. I'm actually gonna close this.
Order filled.
I kind of like this for shorts. 15-minute CRT might be happening. We need to get this. But we're respecting these 15-minute gaps as in. We did fill in a little imbalance here, and this area of accumulation is a nice area to sell off of. And we have a good 15-minute CRT, which might happen. I want to go down to the second, gaps. Anyway, I don't know. I'm gonna see you guys fucking later. This is gonna be a big introduction, or a long introduction. But bias was whatever, 50-50. There's no news. I didn't take the trade on my Express accounts as the reasons I explained. Um, and yeah, I mean, I don't like how we're so uncorrelated. I mean, ES is indecisive as a bitch, and YM is going down. So YM is going down. ES is not moving at all, and Q's going up. It's like, what the fuck is going on? For that reason alone, I don't have a lot of conviction in longs, especially since we're in a premium. So for that reason, I'm not gonna enter longs right now. Actually, we're not even in premium technically. Technically, I feel like we're equally new because this is the daily open. So the lowest here, this is the high of the day. Because the daily open here came up at a new high spam. We're at equilibrium, you know. So it's actually not even a bad place to buy, but I don't know. And I feel like we're bullish, we shouldn't because this is all kind of efficient price action. So if we really do come down here, I think we're gonna least on the one. I'm rambling. I don't know. I'm gonna see you guys fucking. So wait a minute. If I take a trade on my Express account, like I've said 1,000 times, I will. If I take a trade, I'll come back. If I don't take a trade, I'll see you guys on Monday. Um, yeah, on Monday. When you're watching friends. Look how disgusting ES is. I want to see you guys. Whatever. Yeah. I'm not in another trade because we moved sideways and then just kind of went up. But if I held my initial trade here, I like I like bottom tick this shit. And what's funny is that if I left my runner, not a runner, but I don't know, alpha ticks, I had my TP set a little bit above all-time highs. I think it was around here. For $3,000, it would have ended up hitting 3,000, but instead I made 1,000. That's kind of funny. Like I should have made three, but I made one in fake money. And then I didn't take shit on here. Might just call it a video here. Because I'm going to go in the pool in a little bit. And we hit all-time highs again. Mm, I guess this could be proof if you guys want to see it. Entered at 9:44. I thought it was 9:41. Well, I entered at 9:44 when price dipped down here. But it was at the top of the 9:41 wick. It was fucking beautiful. I top ticket. And I'm gonna clickbait you guys and saying that I top or I bottom tick the day. Anyway, chat. I'm probably gonna see you guys tomorrow because we hit all-time highs. I'm not really interested in trading. I would only be really looking for shorts right now, but you are going against a lot. You know, I'm gonna see you guys probably on Monday.